In this video, I will show you how to build reports in HubSpot. First, sign in to your HubSpot account. From the left sidebar, go to Reporting and click Reports. Then, select Create Report to start building a new report. Next, choose whether you want to use a pre-built report or create a custom report. If you're creating a custom report, select your data sources, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, and click Next. Now, use the report builder to add the properties and metrics you want to analyze. Apply filters to narrow down your data, then choose a visualization like a bar chart, line chart, pie chart, or table. You can adjust the layout until the report displays your data the way you want. Once you're finished, click Save. Enter a name for your report and choose whether to add it to an existing dashboard or create a new one. Your report will then be available for you to view and update whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.